Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we're going to show you how to use this animal trap step by step. If you like this video, visit our website for more information or send us an email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.
If you need to catch animals like raccoons, possums, or squirrels, check out Solutions Humane live animal traps. These weather-resistant metal box traps provide a safe and humane alternative to lethal animal control products. When activated, these traps shut quickly and tightly, ensuring no harm comes to the animal. Use these live traps when you need to relocate a wild, wandering animal, or if you need to catch a lost or stray cat to bring to a shelter. The Solutions Humane live animal traps are ready to use and require no assembly. We recommend you wear gloves to avoid leaving any human scent on the trap and use the right bait attractant for your target animal. To get the best capture rates, proper placement is key. The most effective spots for your live traps are going to be where you've seen animal activity. It's important this spot is also in regular shade and not in constant sunlight, as an animal can die from overexposure if left in the sun too long without a way to escape. Place your trap along the edge of your property or close to any food or water sources away from human or pet activity. Physical boundaries like fence lines and garden edging make great placement guides, so place your live trap in these areas lengthwise against the perimeter. Set bait behind the trap's pressure plate, hold the door open, and pull the metal arm forward so it catches the door and prevents it from closing. Check the trap twice a day. When set properly, you can expect to catch your target animal within several days. When the animal is caught, travel to your release location, place the trap on the ground facing away from you, and open the trap to release the animal. Do not leave an animal trapped for more than 24 hours. Live traps can be used to capture animals on residential, commercial, or industrial properties. These traps are ideal when you need to relocate animals away from homes, parks, construction sites, and other sites where people gather. Solutions Humane live animal traps are harmless to children and pets when used according to the instructions. Remember to wear gloves when handling traps and when releasing animals. Contact local authorities like animal control to confirm laws in your area about animal trapping and make sure you are correctly relocating the animal.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. After watching this video, should you have questions, you can email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.